Hey, welcome back. This video is one of those videos where we don't improve the program output, but we improve the code. What do I mean by that? We will make the code more readable, more efficient. So nothing on the output will change. What we will do exactly is we're going to use a better way to handle files. So for example, here we are opening a file in read mode. Then we read the lines of that text file. We store the lines in a list and then we close the file. But this can be done in a better way using the with context manager. So from this, we're going to use with, and here we place this function. So I copy that, I place it in here. And then this variable will go at the end using the as keywords, as file, and then you use a colon which denotes that the next line will be indented. So this is indented under this with block. So this is a block and everything that goes underneath it is indented. So now what do we want to do now? Well, perhaps we want to read lines from that file. So whatever you want to do with that file, you want to write it here. In our case, it is todos equal to file.readlines. So this one, I'll just copy it and paste it here. And that's it. You don't need to close the file, and that is the benefit of this with context manager. So I'll delete that line. And if you run the code now, you're going to get the same exact output, so nothing will change. So this method also makes sure to avoid some problems with file handling. For example, what will happen here is that the file is open and then even if the program stops for some problems, the file will be closed by this method. But in the other case where we had this file equal to open, file.writelines, if the program stops at this point, then the next line will not be executed. So file.close will not be executed and we will end up with an open file which could cause problems. So this method, this block of code makes sure that that will not happen. So this is always recommended over this. Of course, first I wanted to show you this because you understand the logic better, but then we want to change that. So let's change this other block of code to a with context manager. It would be with that as file, and then that goes in here, and that's it. So delete that. The code also becomes a bit shorter, as you can see. Let's do the same in here with that as file. Do that and delete that. And that's what we have. So let me test this if everything is working fine. So show, that will show what we have so far. Add a new to-do, write, for example, that's a new to-do that I've just added. Show, write is part of the to-do list. So everything is working fine. So we just modified the show, the add case, and also the show case. Now we still haven't implemented the changes in the edit and the complete cases. So these are still not connected to our text file. They are not connected to our actual data. But we will do this in the next video. So I'll see you there.